Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells, and the brand new video that's going to be today is a new look haul. We love a good new look haul. These were good little bargains I got in the sale at the time, but yeah, that's what it's going to be. But if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, because then I know that you like these videos. I just want to say that I am not sponsored by New Look or any of the brands that I do show you, because it is all out of my own hard working money and I am not sponsored. It is just to show you and give you advice. Like I said, if you did like the video, then give it a massive thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and joining our little love family. I know that a load of you have joined, so thank you very much. If you want to see the newest video straight off the back, then hit the notification bell and that will show you that straight away. So on my main page, there is a clickable link for Twitter and Instagram, so you can check them out, please. There is a few different things on Instagram. Maybe follow or give a like on there, that would be great. Let's get into the new look haul. I have got my confirmation little bit of paper in this haul. I'm going to tell you every single price that I got for these items. Yes, all the bags are open, but it's because I've tried them on and I probably haven't filmed this video in like 2 or 3 weeks since I've got the delivery, so I wanted to make sure that it all sort of fitted and was all nice before I had to send it back, because obviously you only get like a week or 14 days to send it back, so I had to make sure, and that's why it's all open. But I kept the bags at the same time because they also tell me what they are, and also on here it will tell me what they are, so I will explain as much detail as I can in this haul with this little list. And we're going to go with the first item on here, and this was the most expensive item that I did get, because like I said, at the time that I bought stuff, they did have a sale on. Pretty good, there was quite a lot of money off of things. This is the most expensive item I did buy. I will tell you what the price it was before and what I paid, and I will tell you what the item is called. So the item was called the white shirred puff sleeve PEPLUM wrap top. The original price was $19.99 and I paid £7 for this top, and I'll show you it now. So this is the top. You've probably seen this top before. It's the top, and I have actually bought one of these before. One of my other new look hauls is this top, but it is in black, and I only got it off of the random cuff of that moment of getting it. I absolutely loved it that much. Obviously then I scrolled through New Look because they had this still, they had the sale on, and I come across the white one. I had a little look at it and then I was like, oh my god, it's got the size in it that I want, so I purchased this because I think these tops are beautiful. So I explain this top. So you've got the V-neck, which I did say in my last one I might have to pin together, but it's not too bad actually, they're pretty good. And then you sort of get a little balloon sleeve with this ruffling at the end, really nice. You get the same detail within the middle, that's just to cinch your waist in, which is really nice. And then you get the little peplum bit at the bottom. This top looks really lovely, the black and the white, good classic colours. I always say I'm trying to go for my minimal colours at the moment. I've kind of changed my style and design. Don't get me wrong, I do love a little bit of colour, but at the moment I am trying with my neutral colours because they absolutely go with everything. You cannot go wrong. That was that top, and I will do a little clip of that top for you now. The size of this one is a size 12. For this one, you would definitely need a little top under it because you can see the white bra and you can see the detailing of the white bra. Just take that into fact that you will need a top under this. Still would look pretty because you could put, or you could put like a really nice bralette under that. That would be pretty as well. But this is what this top, I absolutely love this top. This top just gives you everything because it cinches you in the wrists and it makes you have lovely flowing arms. It just gives you that V-neck, which I think is a very flattering neckline. It cinches you in here. It gives you this peplum bit in case you don't like your little stomach underneath. It hides that. It's a beautiful top. You could even get to the point where you could even tuck it in if you don't want that flowing bit out, just to change it up. That's an option. Yeah, when I got the black one of this, I was so happy that I found the white one too, because it's just a beautiful top for the money, and I got it at a bargain price. The next one is the white corset seam square neck top. This was £12.99 originally, and I got it for £4. £4 is unreal, isn't it, for a top? I just thought these classic tops would go with anything. I was really disappointed because I had missed out quite a lot on the sale, but I wanted this in the mint colour, and this top looks really nice as well. But I'm glad I got it in a white, because the white is absolutely fab. But I did want it in the mint colour too, but they had not the size that I wanted, or it's just too small. It was really gutted, because I would have got both of them. Even if they had a black, I probably would have ordered that too. So I got it in white, but this is the top now. This is a cute little top. They're a bit all scrunched up at the moment, because I've obviously had them in the bag. It's a little cute top. So it's just got long sleeves, and you can see very easy statement. It's got a square neckline, which is really pretty, and it's not something I normally go for, but it does suit me quite well. Quite pleasantly surprised with that. Also, what bit I love about it is this corset detailing. Can you see that little rims down, and then it goes on the side, you can see it goes like that, like circles round, and it emphasizes your body. When I try this on, you'll see it a lot more better. It's like a corset design, because look how you can see on the back it's a lot shorter than the front. If you don't want to show off your body, that's absolutely fine, because these tops are like quite thick in material. This is like a t-shirt material. What would be good was if you didn't want like your little love handles hanging out. Some people do, and it looks really pretty, but some people don't. You can always put a little strappy top underneath, and it's going to cover that. It's not, at the end of the day, no one is going to point that out. If it's a white top or another white top, no one is going to point that out. And you put high-waisted trousers on, perfect. That's why I got this for. Wish I got the mink, but unfortunately it wasn't available. Try this one on now. The size of this one is a size 12. This top is lovely, and it's such an outgoing top. I'm gonna have a look if I can get the mink one on the website again, because I absolutely love this. The only little problem with this is, like I said, if you don't like showing your love handles off or your back, it's not the greatest of tops, because obviously it goes at the back. But like I said, you can properly sort this out. Just put a little white vesty top underneath, because it will not show. But I love it. I love the neckline. The neckline is very flattering. It's a nice top. It gives you all this silhouette down like the bottom. It's not corset because it's not ribbed, but it does give you that sort of design like a corset, but very nice. Again, a lovely top. Beautiful. I wish I got this in the mink. Really nice. The third top is mink long sleeve seam front bodysuit. So yeah, this is a little bit different from the last one, and it was at original price of £9.99, and I got this for £3. Like, it is unreal. I love New Look clothes, and I love them when they're in a sale, because they go really cheap. Honestly, get to the point and go onto your thing, pick your colours and pick your price points. Even go from cheapest to highest, because honestly the cheap ones are good cheap ones. I kind of keep looking on there at the moment, which is a little bit bad, but you never know when something else might come in. I did pay postage and packaging at the time, because they had a deal on with that too. Sometimes they will give you free postage and packaging if you spend amount. Deals on at the time, so the deal on the time was that I got the postage and packaging for 99p. You check it out, give a look when you like things, then you can get a little bit cheaper, or you can get it free. So definitely have a check out. I also had a deal on these tops, because they're on the label it was 2 for £16 mix and match, so there must have been other ones that go with this. but also this must have been one in a shop because it's got £5 on there. What it probably did was in a shop, was selling it at £5 in the sale, but obviously it hadn't been ordered, so they probably restocked all their stock and put it somewhere because they've had to shut up all their shops and then pick them items for them to go out to delivery instead. They have a little way of doing it because they're saving themselves money at the end of the day, because there's probably loads of stock in shops that has gone down on the sale but they weren't using, but they've probably got a system now where they are selling it. The top looks like this, so it's just a plain top, but this is lovely again as well. So it's just a long sleeve top. I love a long sleeve top. You can never go wrong. These can go for out, they can go for dinner. This is why I got these, because I thought they're good staple basics. So it's just a bodysuit, so it just clips at the bottom, which is really good. I don't always clip them together. I don't want that hassle. I won't clip them together and just tuck the bit in and make sure that you can't see the rolls up. Use it either way. It's just a nice colour. This is what I want to get the colour in the last one, but it's just this mink colour, so it's like this nice browny colour. It's gonna like a round neck. Love a round neck, so these look nice and classy. Give that little bit of flesh off when you're going out. If you can see on this top, they have got the bits down the side again. Basically, when I try this on, it cinches you in, so it looks a bit more going out top really than just a normal basic top, because I've got tops like this that I've got from Primark, but they're just basic, but because it's got that little angle a bit that comes round your body, it gives you that silhouette like sort of body shape. I will try that one on now for you. Size of this one is a size 10. I have no top under this, so bear with me. So I put it on with some high-waisted black jeans because this would be what I would wear it with. It is the bodysuit, so I have literally just tucked it in. But as you can see, this is really pretty. So like I said, it's got the lining down here. I've literally got a bra on it. You can see a bit of my bra, which is not the greatest of things, but you could put a little top under this. It's up to you. I'm just literally showing you the bit I told you about the detail, so it gives you that silhouette sort of look, if that makes sense. If I come back, you can see like it makes you a little bit more curvier, but this is really nice. This is a mint colour, very pretty, very nice, just simple basic. Like I said, it's a v-neck, so it comes down pretty low. You could have it even lower if you wanted to, but this could be a night or a day top, depending what you want out of it, but very nice for the money. Last item in this haul, we've only got one more item. Like I said, I would have ordered some other ones, but I looked at them and they didn't have the size, so I didn't order them. It's not worth it sometimes because you just don't know, and I was pretty lucky with all of these, but this is the last one. So this is a Camel long sleeve wrap bodysuit. This was originally $14.99 and I got it for £5. Again, another bargain, really good, and I'll show you it. Probably see a theme that I went for all creams and browns, the natural colours, the colours that you can mix anywhere. I do look at the greens because I do love an emerald green if I can find anything in that, but that's really hard. You'll see that this is a common thing. So it's again a bodysuit, long sleeved, it's ribbed, they got v-necks. This is pretty good because it's a little bit stretchy, so you can either pin it up and do it where you want it, or you can either leave it if you're going to put a little top on it. If you're not, then it might be best to like clip it somewhere so it's going to sit there. Really lovely colours. Like this camel brown, nice colour. This can go with black jeans, this can go with blue jeans. Honestly, these colours are statement colours. I got this in a size 12. I don't normally go for 12s, but I wanted to go for a 10 or 12 just to give me a little bit of room. The 12 does. Like I said in the last ones, I just don't like being cinched in, so I go for that little bit bigger, and it doesn't look massive on me, but the 10 does sometimes fit. But I will try this one now on for you. Right, you probably could see something very obvious, that you can see my bra through this. It is very careful because the material of this top is very thin. Beautiful colour, and literally complements me so well. But you can see that, and that's a white bra I've got underneath, so just be careful with this. It may have that you've got to wear a little vest top under it, or you either can show your bra off. It doesn't really matter if that's what you're happy with. At the end of the day, it's a bra, it doesn't matter. You can see it very, very obvious. That's a problem. You maybe need to, or I maybe need to get a sort of little vesty top that's the same sort of colour this, so it will go underneath. But again, very, very nice. This is really sturdy. It's holding the bosoms up. It's making them look nice. It's a very nice top again. And this is the whole little outfit, which is really, really nice. This is what I would wear it as. Love it. Very, very nice. Fits really, really well. And another little bargain. This is the end of the New Look haul. I know that you do like these hauls because I've posted a lot of these up before, so that's really good that you are watching them. If you do, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know that you like it and you like the content I'm showing you. Give it a good little thumbs up. If you maybe are new here and this is your first time watching for me, then subscribe to tazwells12 if you like any of my videos, any of my content, any of my advice, or maybe the whole YouTube channel as a general. Definitely hit that subscribe button and you can join the little love family. You are more than welcome. You can comment on my videos down below. I will 100% comment back to you. Bell button, because that will notify you when I've uploaded a new video. And I just want to say that I am not sponsored by New Look or any of the brands that I have shown you. I have brought this out of my own money, so I am not sponsored. Thank you for watching as always. Thank you for supporting. Hope you have a lovely day and a lovely evening, and I will all see you soon. Bye.